Hi, I'm Lyle Lapine with Alair Homes. We're here at this 2,700 square foot house in Tawasin, BC. Working with Madeline Design Group, we renovated a part of this house. Let's go take a look. This is a split level home, and the bulk of the work that we did is in the main living area. Here we are in the front entryway. This is a porcelain tile. It's a great rugged option for a front entrance. One of my favorite features in this house is this front staircase. We ripped out a large circular balustrade that was dated and replaced it with this oak handrail, stained to match the flooring, metal spindles. It's got an angular look, it's linear, and it just gives it a more modern and contemporary feel. Here we are in the great room. This room used to be a rec room, and we took this wall down to create more of this open concept kitchen and living space. In the living room, we painted the ceiling to brighten it, and we really focused on this feature wall. There used to be an old stone veneer and hearth on this fireplace we ripped out, and now we have floor to ceiling porcelain tile and a new linear fireplace. One cool feature is this vent up above. It's called a comfort wall system. It just protects your artwork or your TV from overheating. To complete the feature wall, we added built-ins on either side of the fireplace with some cabinetry and some shelving. Now this is an island. It's 15 feet long, and we had to use 2 slabs of Caesar stone quartz because you can't actually get them that long. It has all the storage you could ask for and some additional seating. This kitchen also features a high-end appliance package, brushed gold fixtures and hardware that really pop against the dark and moody cabinetry. And check this out, touch latch technology on the fridge and freezer. One thing I love here is the 2 sinks, one for your kitchen and one for the wet bar. Over here in the dining area, we spruced it up by replacing the guardrail to match the front entry and added a statement light fixture. One thing I should mention is we replaced the flooring throughout the house. This is a luxury vinyl plank product. It's a great choice for families with small kids or pets. Well, that's it for this house tour. Thanks for joining us. We hope you'll like and subscribe below.